Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to add a blog post on a WordPress website. Now before we go ahead to do that, I want to show you the website that you can download images from. So there are different types of websites you can download images from. The first one is called freepik.com. Now here you can search about any kind of image you want to download, whether you want to download laptop images. You come over here and search laptop. So you see, so if you want to download images, you come over here and download. You can as well go to unsplash.com. So you can download free images here also. So let's go back. I've already downloaded the images I'm going to be using to design this blog website. So I have them already. So you can as well go to freepik or unsplash.com and download the images you want to use. So I'll go back to my website and then I'm going to click on post, all posts. Now if you have a dummy post here, I'm talking about hello world, ensure you delete it, trash the post and then delete it permanently. Ensure you don't have anything here. So we are going to add our post here. HP laptop specs. So I'm going to come over here and then look for a dummy content. I'm going to copy. Then you paste it here. Alright, so you're going to add a category here. So I'm going to call this laptops. So I've added that category now. So I'm going to publish this post under laptop category. So I'm going to come over here and set my featured image. So you have, when you download your image, you select it from your computer here. So I'm going to select on this guy. Set featured image. So I'm going to publish. So I'm going to add a new post again. At least I need to add like 6 posts. So I'm going to add Techno Spark 8 or Spark 10 specs. So copy the dummy content, then put it here. Then I'm going to create another category here. I'm going to call this phones. Then add new category. So I'll come over here and select featured image. I have it here already. So if you don't have it here, you just come over here to upload files. Click on select files and then upload the files. So I'll come over here, set featured image. Then I'm going to publish. So I'm going to add another post because we need at least 6 posts. And then I'm going to call this Samsung. I'm going to paste this guy. I'm going to come over here, since this is under phone category, so I will come over here and select phones and then set featured image. I'm going to come over here, select. I'm going to call this. So let me select this guy. And I'm going to publish a post. Then I'm going to add post again. And I can call this a MacBook. 0 and then specs. Then I'm going to paste this guy here. I'm going to select laptops and then come over here, upload files. I can select this guy. So I'm going to publish. So I'm going to pause this video and add the remaining post. I wouldn't want you guys to watch the same thing over and over again, so I'm going to pause the video, and once I'm done uploading the post, then we will get back to business. Welcome back, guys. I'm done adding all the posts, so I come over to all posts. So I have published 6 posts here. So guys, that is how you can publish posts on a WordPress website. Now if we go to our home page, if we visit our site, now those posts are being displayed here. I will need to add the featured image here, so that's why image is not being displayed here, because I think I forgot to do that. So let me go back and do that. Alright, so I'm just going to select any of these images and update. So I'm going to refresh my website. So we have the image here now. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how you can customize this site and make it look very nice. And once you add such a theme like this, because this is a blog theme, once you add blog posts, it will make your site to look beautiful by default. But we are still going to customize our home page. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how you can customize this page and make it look nice using Elementor. See you guys in the next video.